Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Just want to run through the agenda for Friday, November 20th and Monday, November 23rd. Our objectives are going to be very familiar because they're review objectives. We're looking at being able to do two things. We're looking to be able to answer questions about standard form and then our X and Y intercepts. So this is going to be very much a review and practice session based on those concepts, okay? So if we are looking here, the first thing we want to do is be able to just get out a regular sheet of paper and pencil. This is not in your quarter two notebook. We're just going to do some practice problems. You're going to watch and complete these practice problems. So there is a video here that goes through how do you find an X and Y intercept from equations that are in standard form. How do you find an X and Y intercept from equations that are in slope intercept form? And then how to find an equation from how to find X and Y intercepts from a graph. So those are our three big standards or objectives. By the time you get done today, you want to be able to identify a X and Y intercept from standard form, identify an X and Y intercept from slope intercept form, and identify an X and Y intercept from a graph. All objectives that we've had before, but we're focusing in on those. After you complete the video, there are two Canvas quizzes, and so that's here in the assignments. Please note that they don't say Math Excel, and when they don't say Math Excel, that means that they are in Canvas. And although Canvas calls them Canvas quizzes, they are not quizzes. Okay, they are set up so that you can attempt them multiple times and that only your highest score will be counted. So if you take it and you still have some questions, that's a good opportunity to come to a Zoom session and then go back and retake that quiz. So remember that, just as a reminder there, that these are set up for multiple attempts. I even have it in there that if you have an incorrect answer, that it'll give you a little bit of hint or help, almost as if I were there with you. So it'll be written out what I might say to you if we were in class and I looked at your work. So please try to use that as helpful also. Okay. That is it as far as review work goes. The next thing I'm going to have you do is to look at this slide here where it says, are you up to date on chapter 5 assignments? This is something, chapter 5 is pretty lengthy compared to other chapters. It could very easily be one that you miss an assignment or that you fall behind on. So if you click on this page that I'm highlighting right here that says chapter 5 assignments as of November 20th, it is going to take and pop up a page that is going to have this information on it here. And so as of today, these are the assignments that you should have already done. So you could see that we have some of them that are here that are Math Excel assignments, and I've listed those here, and then some of these that are Canvas quizzes, and I've listed those there. Okay, you could even see that the ones that are assigned today, the standard form review and the X and Y intercepts review, are in there also. Okay, so make sure if you don't have any of those complete, today's a day where there's a little less work as far as class goes. Go back and get those completed, or maybe you got a score that you aren't so happy with. Maybe now's a good time to go back and to retry one of those. Keep in mind also, we have Zoom sessions every day at noon. So we have one Friday, we have one Monday, we have one Tuesday, and then we go on break, and you can see I already have the one set up for the following Monday. So Canvas message me if you need something before then, but if not, please, this is the part of the chapter where we really need to make sure that if we have questions, we're coming to these Zoom sessions and that we know the problem that we want to ask ahead of time, and that we have our screen ready to share if we need to, and we really just work through the problems together. If you're not getting the homework scores and the quiz scores that you would like, that's where we need to come and get some extra help. All right, have a good day. Thanks.